Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are doing well. Stay home, stay safe. Welcome to math session. Today we are going to do Roman numerals writing work. In the last session, I have explained you what are Roman numerals. Today we will be writing the notes for the same. So remove your maths notebook, pen, pencil and scale. And in the first maths video, I have asked you to write 0 to 10 table. After the 10 table, take a new page, write today's date and write the topic on the margin. Lesson number 1, Roman numerals. Before starting with the problem set, there are something you have to write about the Roman numerals. So, on the first line, write Roman numerals. On the next line, write this is the definition of Roman numerals. We use numerals for writing numbers. Many years ago in Europe, the Roman capital letter such as I, V, X were used as numerals. So they are called as Roman numerals. Next line, leave one line and write this. The letter I was the symbol used for 1. The letter V was the symbol used for 5. And the letter X was the symbol used for 10. Next page, you will be writing the basic rules of using or writing the Roman numerals. So on the first line, write basic rules for writing numbers using Roman numerals. From the next line, start writing. Rule 1. If either of the symbols I or X is written consecutively 2 or 3 times, their sum total is the number they make. Next line, you have to write the examples. First example, 2i is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So the number 2 in Roman numerals you will write as I and I. Next, xx is equal to 10 plus 10 is equal to 20 because 1x value is 10. So 2x we will add, the total will become 20. So 2x value is 20. Now 3i is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. 1i value is 1. So 3i is here. So we have add 3 times 1. So your total becomes 3. So the value of 3 in Roman numeral is 3i. Next line, you will be writing rule number 2. The symbols I or X can be repeated consecutively for a maximum of 3 times. The number V, or you can say the number 5, is never repeated consecutively. Next line, you will be writing the example. First example, 3 times I is equal to 1 plus 1 plus is equal to 3. The second example is xx is equal to 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. And 5 you cannot repeat. So that is why only 5 will be there. So this is the second rule. Now the next line you will be writing the third rule. When either I or V is written on the right of the symbol of a bigger number, its value is added to the value of the bigger number. Next line you will be writing the example, one below the other you have to write. First example is Vi is equal to, the value of V is 5 and the value of I is 1. So 5 plus 1 will be 6. Second example, X value is 10 and I value is 1. So 10 plus 1 will be 11. Third, X value is 10 and V value is 5. So 10 plus 5 will be 15. Then fourth one, XVI. X value is 10, V value is 5 and 1 value is 6. I value is 1. So 10 plus 5 plus 1 will be 16. Next, you will be writing rule number 4. When I is written on the left of v or x, then its value is subtracted from the value of the v of v or x. However, the symbol I is not written more than once before v or x. So, next you will write the example in the next line. First example, v is equal to, the value of I is 1 and the value of v is 5. So, 5 minus 1 will be 4. So, how you will write 4 in Roman numeral? I and v. Then next example is ix. Value of x is 10 and value of 1 is I is 1. So 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. So this is the way you will write 9 in Roman numerals. Moving ahead, on the next line you will be writing this. L, C, D and M are also used as Roman numerals. Students, you have to draw the columns like this. First column will be of Roman numerals, where you will be writing the Roman numerals which we use: I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Then the numbers. What are the values of these Roman numerals? I value is 1, V value is 5, X value is 10, L value is 50, C value is 100, D value is 500 and M value is 1000. So this is the way you have to write. Now students, take a new page, write on the margin problem set 1, copy the first question, write all the numbers from 1 to 20 using Roman numerals. See students, on the screen it is written in the table form. You can write one below the other also. So the 1 value is I. How we write 1 in Roman numerals? As I. 2 we write as 2I, 3 we write as 3I and 4 we write as IV, 5 we write as V, 6 we write as 5 VI, 7 we write as VII, 8 we write as VIII, 9 is equal to IX, 10 is X. Then 11 we will write as XI, 12 is equal to XII, 13 we will write as XIII, 14 we will write as X, and because 10 value is X and 4 value is IV. So we will write 14 as XIV. Then 15 we will write as XV. 16 is equal to XVI. 17 is equal to XVII. 18 we will write as XVIII. Then 19 we will write as XIX. And 20 we will write as 2XX. Now moving to second question. Question number 2. Write the following numbers using international numbers. Students, already the Roman numerals has been given to you. You have to write the value in the international numbers. You can write in as one below the other also. First is V. The value of V is 5. Second, VII. The value of this is 7. Third, X. The value of X is 10. Fourth, XIII. The value of this will be 13. Then fifth one, XIV. The value of this is 14. Sixth one, XVI. The value of this is 16. Seventh one, XVIII. This value will be 18. Then eighth one, ix. The value is 9. Then the next question is question number 3. Fill in the empty boxes. Students, for this question you have to draw the box like this. The first column will be of numbers. The second column will be of Roman numerals. Here some numbers are already written and down some Roman numerals are already written. So we have to write the fill in the blanks. Okay. Now number 3 in Roman numerals, how we write 3? I. Then second column, 8 is already written in Roman numerals. We have to write in numbers. So we will write the spelling EIGHT 8. Then number 6 is written in Roman numerals. You have to write how we write the 6. We write 6 as VI. Then next column, already the Roman numeral is written. We have to write the number. So which Roman numeral is written? XII. So the value of XII is 12. Second column, number is written 15. We have to write in Roman numerals. So how we will write the Roman numerals? XV. Then next column, Roman numeral is already written. We have to write the numbers. So XIX, the value will be 19. This is the way you have to draw the table and fill in the blanks. Next question, question number 4. Write the following numbers using Roman numbers. Now students, already the international number is given. You have to write the value in the Roman numbers. You can write one below the other also. 9 in Roman numerals we will write as IX. Then 2 we write as II, and then 17 we write as XVII. 4 we write in Roman numerals as IV. 11 we write as XI, and 18 we write as XVIII. The next question is question number 5. In the table below, each given number is written in international numerals and then again in numerals, Roman numerals. If it is written correctly in Roman numerals, put the correct sign in the box under it. If not, put X and put the wrong sign and correct it. First international number is written. This is the way only students you have to draw the column in your notebook. First will be international numerals. What are written? 4, 6, 8, 16 and 15. Then the Roman numerals are written. But students, here we have to see whether these Roman numerals are written correct or not. So the first international number is 4, and how Roman numerals is written? I. Is 4 written like this in Roman numerals? No. 4 is written as I and V, because according to the rule, I cannot be repeated more than 3 times. So this is wrong. So put the wrong sign and down write the correct answer, which is I and V. Then the second is 6. So in Roman numerals, we write 6 as VI. So it is correct. Put the correct sign. Next column, 8. This is the way we write 8? No, students. We write 8 as VIII. According to the rules, we cannot add 2I before any bigger number. So this is wrong. So how we write 8 as? Put the wrong sign and below write VIII. Then next is 16. How we write 16 in Roman numerals? Yes, XVI. So it is correct. Put the correct sign. Then the last column is 15. Do we write 15 like this? V. No. V cannot be repeated more than one time. So it is wrong. So down, see, the correct answer is written XV. I hope students you have understood very well and you will be writing this problem set in a very neat and tidy handwriting. Complete your book on time. See you in the next session. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye. Take care.